Welcome back to Auto Info Master, your trusted channel for the latest in automobile technology and reviews. In today's episode, we are diving deep into the all-new 2026 Kinnebagou Motorhome, a luxurious, innovative, and future-forward RV that's redefining long-distance travel and mobile living. From its stunning exterior to its high-tech interior, exceptional driving performance, advanced features, and pricing strategy, this motorhome is turning heads across North America and beyond. Let's begin with the design. The 2026 Kinnebagou brings a fresh look to the motorhome market with a futuristic and aerodynamic body. The front fascia features an aggressive yet elegant LED lighting signature with full-width light bars, giving it a premium identity on highways and campsites alike. The oversized panoramic windshield offers superior visibility for the driver and passengers, while the sculpted hood, integrated solar panels on the roof, and contoured body lines improve both aesthetics and aerodynamics. This motorhome is built on a lightweight aluminum chassis with carbon fiber reinforcements in strategic areas to reduce weight and improve efficiency. The bold blacked-out grille with chrome elements complements the sleek exterior mirrors that now feature blind spot cameras instead of traditional mirrors. Coming to the size and dimensions, the 2026 Kinnebagou is available in three lengths: 28 feet, 32 feet, and 36 feet, depending on your layout preferences and travel needs. The exterior color options include glacier white, desert bronze, forest green metallic, and lunar gray. On the sides, electric retractable awnings are built into the roofline for a clean appearance when not in use. Storage compartments are accessible via soft-close hydraulic doors, giving a satisfying luxury car-like experience. At the rear, there's an integrated high-definition camera with night vision and 360-degree surveillance for security and parking assistance. The taillights are entirely LED with a modern, flowing design that mimics the front. There's also an external entertainment bay that includes a weather-sealed 50-inch 4K smart TV, marine-grade Bluetooth speakers, and USB-C charging ports. Underneath, the Kinnebagou rides on 22-inch aluminum alloy wheels wrapped in all-season terrain tires, with independent air suspension that automatically levels the vehicle when parked. Now let's open the automatic entry door and step inside, where the real magic happens. The 2026 Kinnebagou interior is nothing short of a 5-star hotel on wheels. With multiple layout configurations to choose from, you'll find options that suit solo travelers, couples, or families of up to 6. Every version comes standard with heated and ventilated captain's chairs in the driver and passenger seats, both of which swivel to become part of the living space when parked. The lounge area features ultra-soft vegan leather recliners, a hideaway smart TV with Dolby Atmos sound, and smart dimmable lighting. The floors are marine-grade hardwood or optional ceramic composite tiles with underfloor heating. Above, a panoramic skylight with electrochromic glass lets you control the brightness with a touch. The ambient lighting can be customized with 32 color options to set the mood, whether it's movie night or a romantic evening by the lake. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find a fully equipped chef station. It includes a 2-burner induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, residential-style refrigerator with ice maker, and even a smart dishwasher. The countertops are real quartz, and the backsplash features LED edge lighting with customizable animations. There's a built-in coffee station with a water filtration system, and ample storage is provided with soft-close cabinetry finished in walnut, maple, or matte black ash. The bathroom features a full glass-enclosed shower with rainfall head, teakwood flooring, and a backlit mirror with anti-fog tech. The toilet is a residential flush model with ceramic construction and a bidet function, while a vanity with motion sensor drawers and towel warmers completes the luxury setup. An integrated laundry center with washer-dryer combo is located just outside the bathroom in a hidden cabinet. The bedroom is equally luxurious, with a queen or king-size memory foam bed, overhead reading lights, built-in wireless charging pads, blackout smart curtains, and plenty of wardrobe space with cedar lining. Optional extras include a massage function in the bed, surround sound, and a retractable ceiling TV. USB-C, USB-A, and wireless charging docks are located throughout the motorhome for convenience. Technologically, the 2026 Kinnebagou is miles ahead of its competitors. The vehicle is powered by a hybrid electric system with a 3.5L turbocharged V6 engine coupled with dual electric motors, offering a combined power output of 480 horsepower and 700 Newton-meters of torque. It has an electric-only range of up to 90 miles, perfect for short trips or silent camping in nature. The total driving range, combining fuel and electric, exceeds 750 miles on a full tank and charge. The drivetrain features an advanced all-wheel drive system that adapts to road conditions in real time. There's regenerative braking, and for the first time in a Kinnebagou, adaptive terrain modes including snow, sand, mud, and off-road trail. With air suspension, the ground clearance can be raised or lowered based on the terrain or parking needs. Hill descent control, automatic traction management, and a 10-speed intelligent transmission provide seamless driving across all environments. Charging the hybrid system is easy thanks to onboard solar panels that generate up to 2.5 kilowatts in ideal sunlight, providing a trickle charge to the battery throughout the day. You can also charge via a standard wall outlet, 240V port, or DC fast charging at select stations. With the optional off-grid package, you get expanded solar array, satellite internet, and a 10 kilowatt-hour battery bank allowing 5+ days of independent off-grid living. Safety-wise, the 2026 Kinnebagou is loaded with features including lane keep assist, forward collision warning, pedestrian detection, driver fatigue monitor, adaptive cruise control, and a heads-up display. The surround camera system includes real-time object detection and a smart parking assistant that can autonomously guide the vehicle into tight RV spots. Emergency braking and trailer sway control are standard, while optional features include a drone-based surveillance system that patrols around your campsite. Smart connectivity is a major highlight. The 2026 Kinnebagou features an integrated smart ecosystem powered by the new Chaos operating system. It connects all vehicle systems to a central 15-inch touchscreen and voice assistant that supports natural speech in over 20 languages. Control your lighting, climate, blinds, music, and security with voice or via smartphone app. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant compatibility are built in, along with Starlink Internet and 5G cellular support for seamless global connectivity. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Kinnebagou starts at $178,000 for the base 28-foot model, $199,000 for the 32-foot version, and $225,000 for the fully loaded 36-foot flagship variant. Optional packages include the off-grid suite for $18,500, luxury tech pack at $9,800, adventure tow package at $4,500, and the platinum finish upgrade for $7,200. While it's not cheap, Kinnebagou has bundled an exceptional amount of features, comfort, and autonomy into a modern, stylish, and highly livable package that justifies the price for serious travelers and RV enthusiasts. Whether you're a weekend camper, a full-time RVer, or someone planning a cross-country retirement tour, the 2026 Kinnebagou offers a compelling blend of innovation, comfort, and performance. It's a clear step forward in motorhome evolution, focusing not just on travel but on redefining the way we live on the road. Thanks for watching this full review on the 2026 Kinnebagou here at Auto Info Master. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive deep dives. Share your thoughts about this motorhome in the comments below. Would you take this on a coast-to-coast adventure? Until next time, stay safe and drive smart.